we're going to court.
It's God. It's God. It's God. It's God.
You thought we forgot. You hoped that we forgot. You hoped that the drama and the infighting would make this moment blow over. That we would have other things to focus on. That your embarrassment would just blow like an old leaf in the wind and the next season just comes along. Well, psych, you're wrong. You ain't going nowhere. And ain't none of us forget. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to keep the video suppressed as long as he could, Mohammed Hijab has come up with some kind of court order to keep the video down, and we would have to go to court, and I would have to win the case in order for the video to go back up. Boy, he does not want this video up on the channel. He knows it. He knows what this was doing. Guys, with the video down for the last 2 weeks that it's been down, our channel has exploded since the destruction of Mohammed Hijab, his absolute embarrassment. And thanks to you, my guy, you are the one who blew this out of proportion. You made this so much worse than it could have been. And now we're going to court, and it's going to be a fun time. See, this is going to be an example, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be an example for the Dawa guys out there, for you weird Muslims out there who try to use this trend to copyright the Christians and put out these false copyright claims and do these fake accounts and coward behind fake accounts. This is going to be an example. You guys will no longer be getting away with these false copyright claims. We're going to get you. Let it be known, Mohammed Hijab, this is long from over. You are just prolonging the inevitable. And so, just for an example of a little small victory, we have our highlight video back up. Mohammed Hijab didn't just strike the main discussion that we had. He also copyright struck the highlight video that we made of his blunders and us just absolutely roasting him and destroying him and embarrassing him for 12 minutes straight. You guys can go ahead and click this and watch this. The link is down in the description below. Make sure you guys interact with that video, get the engagement back going, because he shot that video down when it was also doing well. You can't stop us. If you want to help out and join the battle against Mohammed Hijab so that we can absolutely destroy him and humiliate him for the sake of Christ, we have started a GoFundMe account. And so if you would like to donate to the cause, you're able to donate through the GoFundMe, which is going to be pinned in the description and in the comment section below. Let's get this guy. Let's make him an example that, one, you cannot falsely copyright strike creators, especially Christian creators, and get away with it. And two, we fight, and we fight together. Let's get him.
It's God.